Hi there. What I'm going to talk about briefly today is an alliteration assignment that the students are going to be working on. So, in class, we are going to brainstorm different things about the fall. And then, using that list, students are going to write a sentence using alliteration. So, alliteration is essentially the same first sound that you hear in a word. And I have a couple examples. And these are the same examples I'm going to show to the students. So, Bill bounces basketballs. You hear a B sound. I love laughing loudly about lizards. You hear an L sound. And it doesn't have to be every sentence, or it's not every sentence, every word. So the alliteration does not have to be for every word. And then the last example I have is dogs don't dance down my driveway. Most of the words start with a D, but not all. And so in this space here, we're going to brainstorm a list, and then the students are going to come up with a sentence that relates to the fall. So my example is 10 turkeys tasted Twizzlers while trick-or-treating. So they're going to write their sentence, and there's a Google Doc that I've created for each student. And then once they have created their sentence, they can go to Insert up here in Docs, and they are going to go to Image, and they are going to go to Search the Web. And then they can search for their objects and whatever is in their sentence. So I've already done this and I typed in 10 turkeys. I didn't get a picture of 10 turkeys, but there are a few pictures that I see here that have turkeys. So I could choose one of these pictures, add a picture of the turkeys. You need to possibly adjust the size. So if you click on the picture, if you click on the corner, they can then drag the image and adjust the size. Next, I want to search for Twizzlers. So I would go back over to here. This is all linked into Google. And I'm going to type in Twizzlers. Twizzlers. And I should get a picture of Twizzlers. So I might go with, I don't know, the kids can look down. I'll just go with the first image. So I'll add Twizzlers. And the last thing I'm going to do is get a picture somehow of trick-or-treating. So I go back over here and type in trick-or-treating and get an image of that as well. Students can have fun with this. There probably isn't a picture of trick-or-treating. Maybe I'll just get an image here of the candy in a little Halloween bucket. But I think you can get the idea. That image is too big, so we click on the image, drag the corner, and kind of resize them so they fit. I believe if I do this and I resize this one enough, I could probably move this one. Sometimes you can move them around. But you can kind of play with it. So here is my sentence. 10 turkeys tasted Twizzlers while trick-or-treating. And then I've got some images to go along with it. So this should be something that the students can have fun with. And that's the assignment. So creating their alliteration sentence somehow related to the fall, and then finding some pictures to go with it. Thanks.